Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you on how to add a quiz on your course on the Carenurses website. Let's get started. First, please ensure you are logged in as an administrator before doing this. If you are logged in as an administrator, let's proceed. Now move your mouse pointer to the top of the page and place it on the Carenurses tab, and from it click on the dashboard option. This will take you to the administrator's dashboard. In the administrator's dashboard, select Tutor LMS Pro. This will provide you with a side menu from which click on the course option and you will be taken to the page listing of all the courses available. Here, select the course you want to add a quiz to. Click on the course name to proceed to the course details. On the course details page, scroll down to the course builder section. This is where you can manage the structure of your course. In the course builder section, identify the course topic you want to add the quiz to. Click on the drop-down arrow on the right of the course topic. This will provide the following options below. You can either add a quiz by clicking on the quiz option or by importing the quiz from your files using the import quiz option. This is done as shown. For now, we will do it manually, so let's get back to our course details page. Come and click on the quiz option. This will provide you with the following page. First, we need to add the quiz title and summary here. After filling these details, click on the Save and Next button below. The next step, we'll need to add the questions. Let us add the first questions by clicking on the Add Question button. We will be provided with the following part where we will add the question details. The first detail to add is the question number. Next is the question type. This is a drop-down menu to which you can select the type of question you want ours to be based on the options. Now the next part is adding the description, which is optional. You can decide to add any media or any instant image. The next section is where you will type your question. and below it is the input options for the answers, to which you can decide the correct answer for the question you just posed above. The final part is the answer explanation, but since our question is a true or false question, we won't add this. So click on the Add to Questions button, which will add our question to the quiz and bring us to the following page. Here we can choose to add another question or just save the quiz. Let us click the Save and Next button to go on to the next. In this step, you can set the time limit for the quiz . You can choose whether to hide or the display time limit too. Then below it is the feedback mode, where you can set the feedback mode to either default, where the answers are shown after the quiz is done. Then there's the reveal mode, which allows the student to reattempt the quiz, but the number of attempts is defined below. This is where we set the number of attempts for the quiz. Next, you can set the passing grade percentage for the quiz, and below it, the maximum question the student is allowed to answer. Once that has been set, click on the Save and Next button below to save our quiz. That's it. You have successfully added a quiz to a topic of our course. Let us confirm by going back to our site. Scroll down to the course section and select the course to which you added the quiz onto. Click on the Start Learning to view the course materials. We can now confirm that the quiz has been added to the course. These are the simple steps on how to add a quiz to a course on the Carenurses website. Thank you for watching.